Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's been a while. So today was an amazing day. It was Monday. It was the 29th of December, and today was one of the days like after Christmas. So people are coming back to the markets, and the volume is slowly picking up. Today was an exciting day. We had some opportunities. It was choppy in the morning, but eventually we got some opportunities. But then again, it got choppy. Today, my day was decent. I took three trades, and those trades worked well. Two of those trades were just like paid trades, and one trade was the main trade, which gave me the main value. We're going to discuss all the trades now. So let's jump in. So these are all the trades. As you can see, today the PNL was $101 and the win percentage was nice. It doesn't really matter because there were three trades. These were just like $1, $1.7. Volume was high because I was trading a leveraged ETF of Qs. Q is the market index. And yeah, as you can see, today the stocks at the open was choppy. I woke up late, so basically I was it's a Christmas season, we are off, so I woke up really late and I had the alarm, but I woke up around I think 9:40 is when I woke up. When I woke up, I straight away went to the trading station, got ready and all that stuff. And yeah, after 5 minutes, I took my trade. Like this was a trade by mistake. I'm gonna open all three trades and show you. So this was the first trade I took. This was actually by mistake. Like I didn't plan to take this trade, but I did. Right here. So I just bought and sold right away because, I was planning to go short, but I was waiting for it to go to VWAP, which was right here. But I took the trade by mistakenly. Then I was like, okay, whatever. So whenever I trade, I have on this side, I have one stock piled up, and this side I have two stocks. So at the same time, I look at two stocks. So the second stock I was looking at was the Qs. So when I saw the Q setting up really nicely for a VWAP short, VWAP breakdown, so I on the left side I uh, pulled up TQQ and I traded it. So I went short over here after a lot of confirmations. So there was a very high, very really nice boom over here right at the open. Then it came back and rejected the VWAP right here. So when it rejected, this was the confirmation. And when this happened, I went short. When I went short, my stop was like around here, around 65, 54.65. And then my target was low of the day, which was right here. So this is what happened, and took my first partial over here. Then over here, I thought, because the market day was choppy, I thought this might reverse very easily. So I took another two partials over here. If I would have held, this profit would have been higher, but then I took one more here, and this was my set profit target. So I reached my target, and it went well. So this was the second and the main trade. This was my third trade, which was I took it like I planned this trade properly. This right here was the VWAP, and this did a VWAP breakout. Basically, it went up, fell down, and now it was setting up for a high. Because the market, like the Qs were in the favor, and this comes in the Q. This is the biggest stock in the Qs. So I thought, there is a high chance this can break out, which it did. And the thing is, my first partial was right here, 72, and it just touched it and fell back. So because of that, I could not get what I wanted. Like I would have taken my 60% of the position over here and would have made a good profit. But again, I went with very low shares because I didn't want to lose the profits I made from DQQ, even though I had conviction that this might go and have a good breakout. But the thing is, because the market was choppy, and look at this, like it fell down, it went up, and then it fell down again. And look at this, this was a very choppy range, very slow range. So I didn't want to risk it. That's why I went slow, and I was like, my target would be high of day. It didn't do that. It didn't give me even one partial, so I stopped out at break even. I was like, I'm not taking risk on that. I'm not wasting my time. I've already made the money I wanted. So yeah, this was it. So this was the day today. Not a bad day. It was actually a good day. Psychology was amazing. Calm, cool, and collected. Some day trading opportunities, continuations were like barely any. So yeah, this was it. And so this brings our PNL to minus 863. So we went from minus 1300 to positive 863. And those of you guys who don't know, I've had such a bad days over here, like my trading day losses. These are my loss days. Look at these, like they are really, really big, like deep down in the red. And these are my trades. Green trades compared to red trades, sorry, red days compared to green days. You can see the difference clearly. Like these are very small wicks and candles, and look at these, huge. So, I made some changes, and from here, these changes, from this day, the changes started. And look at this. Now, look at this. Like, look at just this chart. My green days are really big, and I have more green days compared to a small red day. So this is the change I made, and this has been working in my favor in choppy market. And this is what I wanted. This phase, like I lost my funded account in this phase, but this was really necessary and important. Like I appreciate this phase, and I have no regrets of taking this funded account, even though I blew it up. So yeah, I hope to be disciplined. I hope I follow my plan as I have planned over here, and my trades trading days look like these from now on. So yeah, this is it. Rules are still the same. I have not made any changes in the rules per se. What I noticed was that because of the changes I made, the some trading day opportunity days, the days where there are some trading opportunities, I went from minus $80 to positive 65. So today, my two types of trades are finally positive. Of course, I have to work on the choppy days, but again, I hope I don't get the choppy days. So this remains here, but these grows with the time. So yes, guys, this is it. Small recap, small day. These are the days which are like these kind of days are going on for the past couple of days. Choppy or some trading days, some trading opportunities. I'm sorry. So I'm not being very aggressive. I'm going slow. And because I had such a bad trend over here, uh, there's no point being very aggressive. So this is the trend I'm focusing right now. Even though I have red days, I'm planning to keep them as small as possible. Around $50 is what I want because my average green day is being like around $60. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I made some changes to my dashboard as well. I added some more widgets. And yeah, this is it. With this, I guess we have two more trading days left in the calendar month of December. So yeah, this month was really bad, but I recovered really big losses. So now it's minus $700, which is, it is what it is. Next month, I'm planning to have a green month. The thing is, I what noticed was that now finally I have the setup, the psychology, the things like I think I figured it out to an extent that I can finally be profitable. So yeah, this is it. Hopefully I stick to my plan, be disciplined and take the trades following my trade book. Hope the same for you guys as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.